Okay, so today we will have our speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so now before we start, please tell me your name, your age, and where do you live?
My name is Susie. I'm 9 years old.
I live in
I live in Phuket.
Bhutan. Okay, Susie, let's talk about activities. So what outdoor activities do you like?
I like swimming.
Okay, so you like swimming. So how do you stay safe when you go to the beach?
I put on sunscreen when go to the beach.
Okay, so you put on sunscreen when you go to the beach. So now let's talk about sports. What sports are you good at?
I'm good at
Like basketball, badminton,
tennis.
tennis. Okay. So now let's talk about animals. Give me examples of land, insects, and sea animals. How about land animals?
Eel.
Eel is sea animals. How about land?
Octopus.
Gorilla.
Gorilla.
Okay, how about insects?
I like
Bugger.
butterfly.
Okay, butterfly. So, can you describe this animal, Susie? It's a
Is a
it's a Komodo.
Komodo dragon.
It weighs
Is weigh
150
115 kilograms.
It's
Is 3
meters
meters
long. Okay, now let's talk about appearance. What does your mother look like?
My mother has long hair and brown ears.
Eyes. Okay, can you describe the animal in this picture?
The butterfly is some color. The flower is yellow.
Okay, so Susie, what did you do yesterday?
I played tennis yesterday.
Okay, did you help your parents yesterday?
No,
No. Okay. No, you didn't. So what are the things in your house, Susie?
the things in my house are
Chairs and
and table.
tables. Okay, thank you, Susie. That would be all. Goodbye.